requesting all the dignitaries to kindly be seated on the dais.
Gopati Ganesar Chitapado Jagannath Swami Nayana Pathagami Bhavatu Me.
It is more for a tiny moment where we need to felicitate our CEO Lozail, and followed by, last but not the least, our India head Lozail, Sri Subhasis Patnaik. Inventory planning and optimization. As he says, we aim to build a made in Odisha global tech platform that will power top retailers worldwide. We talents from across India and globally. We chose Bhubaneswar as Bhubaneswar offers a unique blend of quality of life, emerging innovation, ecosystem, and a strong talent.
US called JDA, now new name is Blue Yonder. China, we developed our major development center in China in Jinan in 2007. And then we have like employees, you have around 30 employees in India, scattered across Pune, like in Western India and some in Odisha. But I always wanted to do a global software company, latest on the innovation. I'd like again. And I was looking at where I wanted to do it. When I looked at all these places, I found that I cannot build a global top tier software company with the talent in a big city, tier one city like Bangalore, like Pune or like Hyderabad. Why? Because we do not need building, we do not need machinery, we need people. And the people, how we can build a software? By people staying with us, 8 years, 10 years, keeping the talent. And to do that we need to have the people. So we're not like IT, I need 5,000 people, I need 200 people, but they are world-class people. They're the same talent I get in the US, absolutely cutting edge this thing. And I said why will I get that in Bangalore? People, the average, they don't stay longer than 2 years. So last year, and I met Mr. Panda there, and we took his advice, and we wanted to do it in Bhubaneswar. And I'll take you through why we picked Bhubaneswar, what we'll be doing in Bhubaneswar. But first, I wanted to tell you about who are we. Because we are not like your typical the IT community here, like the big names. We are not. We are a world-class software company. We're a software company, would never be 5,000 people. In fact, the largest supply chain company is around technology. We are constantly in the top 20. Last time they rated were the number 2 in most category, number 1 in many categories, more than 8. When you go to a store, you need to, what do you need? You need to make sure that what you wanted to buy is in store, any kind of store, we will be there. We are in North America. Again, if you look at the North America retail space, any company will be proud to have these people in that website. We will be doing absolutely cutting edge, leading edge like technology one. So I'll give you a couple of things. First one is the technology one. Sushil will describe in the next session, which is from Bhubaneswar. The type of work will be coming out of Bhubaneswar will be absolutely cutting edge. and we will
Please give it up a big round of applause for entire Lozile family and the views we have seen with the people.
Plans which I'm sure Honorable Minister is also going to be sharing. We have just announced our AI policy. There are a few more policies which are in the offing. GCC policy and a fintech policy. The idea is to attract more GCCs and develop Bhubaneswar into a fintech hub. So that is in progress. The AI policy has already been announced, and there has been some significant development on the electronics side and also on the semiconductor side. Some of you are aware of that. We've got 3 major proposals for manufacturing of silicon carbide devices, semiconductor plants, and 2 of these companies are also at an advanced stage of receiving funding under the ISM, the India Semiconductor Mission.
डेभलप करवा कथा यहाँ ही आमर सबुथु बड़ ऑब्जेक्टिव अंडर द एबल लीडरशिप ऑफ आवर ऑनरेबल प्राइम मिनिस्टर नरेंद्र मोदी जी एवं ओडिशार माननीय मुख्यमंत्री मोहन चरण माझी नेतृत्व रे आमे आपण मानकर आशीर्वाद रु गोटे वर्ष ही गला सरकार को एवं यहाँ ही आमर ऑब्जेक्टिव थ्रू रे आमे आउटसाइड द कंट्री रस कैपिटल भलिया हबो यहाँ ही आमर मुख्य ऑब्जेक्टिव एवं मु पूर्णबाबू को आउ थरे धन्यवाद जनैबी जे से जो ऑब्जेक्टिव नहीं की रिटेल सेक्टर रे एआई टेक्नोलॉजी को यूज करिकरी से जो कांसेप्ट Lozile द्वारा जे Lozile has emerged as a pioneer in AI enabled connected workforce solution for retailers worldwide. In 2024 alone, Lozile achieved a remarkable 40% increase in the annual recurring revenue driven by strong customer loyalty and new partnership across the Americas, UK, Europe and Australia.
Anyways, Agoku Bodiwa, as we all know that we have come to a point, please stand up and clap as we are already here, a new city, same excellence, and Lozile arrives in Bhubaneswar. A thunderous round of applause should definitely give us new hopes that we are going to be bigger and better here with the support and guidance of all of yours. So that was a small thing that we really wanted to do, and we wanted to show you all that yes, in this
audience and the guests who have made this a success. First and foremost, I would really like to thank the chief guest of this ceremony, Dr. Mukesh Mahaling.
আজি ওড়িশার প্রথম Lozile গ্রুপ দ্বারা এআই এনেবল বেস্ট রিটেল मार्केट रे ताकर टेक्नोलोजी व्यवहार द्वारा ओडिशा रे प्रथम जिला गोटे कंपनी इंडिया बेस्ट पूर्ण मिश्र सीईओ से आज ये ऑफिस उन्मोचन ये अवसर में निश्चित भाव में जो विजन अच्छी ओडिशा सरकार विजन भारत वर्ष में भुवनेश्वर को बेस्ट सिटी करवा जो इकोसिस्टम ये आईटी कंपनी एआई बेस्ड कंपनी जीसीसी फिनटेक इकोसिस्टम जद्वारा ये Lozile एआई बेस्ड रिटेल मार्केट सफ्टवेयर रिटेलर कस्टमर 100% satisfaction एक्सपीरियंस 40% of the customer service provided UK, France and western part of the world.